Okay, next we are going to see about type of windows. What are the types in windows are available? That are actually 5 types of windows are available. In this we are going to use only this first 3 windows, that is rectangular window, hamming and handing window. This notation of window is, this type of window is mentioned in the suffix of this W. Okay, if it is a rectangular it is R, then hamming it is only H, if it is handing HN. Okay, we are going to use these 3 methods in our problem. Okay, now we are going to see the design procedures of a FIR filter. First step is, in a given problem you have to find the whether the problem is what is the type, that is if it is low pass or high pass or band pass, band reject, you have to find it. Then you have to draw the graph of the window, that is you have to draw the graph like this. That is if it is a low pass filter or band pass or high pass or band stop, you have to draw it as. They will give the cutoff frequencies, then this is the magnitude function, then this is the omega. Okay, they will give it. If it is 0 to pi by 2 or something, they will give the cutoff frequencies. You have to find it belongs to which category it belongs to, then you have to find it. Then second step is you have to find alpha value. Alpha is nothing but you have to find the center of symmetry case. So this formula is n minus 1 by 2. Here n is that is order of the filter. Order of the filter also they will give in. They will give. Then step 3 is find HT of n. HT is a desired response. This form most of the persons will solve using this formula method, but here I solved using this formulas, that is simple methods of formulas for each type of the filter, for low pass filter, high pass, band pass and band stop. This low pass filter, instead of finding that formula method, we can easily use for n equal to alpha, that is here capital N is if it is 5, we can simply note it as 0 to n minus 1, that is n is vary from 0 to n minus 1 small n, so we can 0 to 4, like that we will put here, right? So for n equal to, depending upon the center of symmetry, if it n while n it is equal to alpha, we use the formula, other sequences we will use the formula. So for all the types we will use this formulas. Okay, actually I gave this materials to you already, you can refer it. Then next step is you have to find the window coefficients. Actually window coefficient is, they will mention whether it is a hamming window or handing window or rectangular window in a problem. That is also we have a formulas for that. For a rectangular function it is 1 for vary from 0 to n minus 1, 0 otherwise. For a hamming function WH 0.54 to 446 cos 2 pi n by n minus 1. Here it is varies from 0 to n minus 1. For handing, instead of 5 4 and 4 6, here 5 5. While adding this 2 we will get 1. Okay, keep it in mind. Okay, these two methods we won't use in our problems. These 3 methods are very important, so we will see in future. Okay, the next step is you have to find the impulse response. Okay, impulse response H of n is nothing but desired response into W of n. That is we already find HD of n using one formula, then W of n depending upon the window function we already find it. Okay, you have to multiply this 2, then you will get a impulse response. Some of the sums they will ask only the impulse response. At the type of problems you have to finish with this. Okay, if they asked for a magnitude response, then you have to further progress it. Okay, the next step is find H of Z. H of Z is you already know the formula for H of Z. H of Z equal to n varies from 0 to n minus 1, H of n Z power minus n. Okay, you have to find from in this h of n, you have to substitute here from varies from n equal to 0 to n minus 1, you have to find the h of z. Then last step is you have to find the magnitude of h of z depending upon the odd or even type. Okay, that is also we have a formula. Okay, depending upon the formula you have to substitute this h of n, then h of capital N value, then 0 to n minus 3. This is depending upon the center of symmetry, this is varying. Okay, for odd sequence, even sequence it is n by 2, for odd sequence it is n minus 3 by 2. Okay, this is the 7th step. This is the procedure for designing FIR filter.